What's up guys, back to a video which I kind of mentioned in the last one. We are going to be installing a rocks bar riser kit on my 21 Grizzly because I'm way too tall for this ride. So it's Thursday night, it's like 8 o'clock, so we're gonna see what we can get done tonight. Might not get it all done, but gonna start. I got a lot of stuff to disassemble up here. All this has to come off. Of course, the extra winch, my heated grips, which I already broke the bracket there, so that's pretty much already off, not a problem. And the bark buster power mads. So yeah, I'll put you down, try taking stuff apart. To be fair, I watched a video like 3 to 4 months ago, probably 3 months ago when I ordered these, on how to do this. I haven't watched it since. We have like negative internet out here in the country, so bear with me while I take this apart. It's going off memory, which can't even remember what I had for breakfast, so. Next. A lot of wiring in here. Easy, piece of piss. Boom. Yes, this is going to be where I run into a problem, because if you watched my light bar install video, I really liked putting these down here, but I remember now watching this video, once this bar riser kit's on, this doesn't go back on. Huh. It's gonna be a problem. Whatever. We'll take it apart and keep figuring it out. Also, there's so much wiring. Yeah, not good. Doesn't matter. We're gonna figure it out. But I'm gonna be smart and take a picture of this, so I don't forget it if it doesn't get done tonight. Come on. Nice. I win. Ish. I think I skipped a step. It's probably supposed to take this bracket off, but just gonna go ahead and forget about that. So, I guess next thing, I'll go ahead and start unzipping all this stuff, but that comes off like a piece of piss. I don't know, did Yamaha even install that? Oh, there's that clip I lost. Can't forget about that till later. I thought this was a good idea, but I know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna put too much stuff out here and it's gonna end up there, and I'm gonna just be stoked about it. So I'm gonna reset this and start taking that apart. Start ripping stuff off. Hope it goes back together later. Kidding. Actually pay attention, but no choice. Come on. Go down there. Oh, a couple star boys down here. The old righty-tighty, lefty-loosey trick, eh? Sick. Oh yeah. Now, before I went up north in October, I think it was October, I don't know, I picked up these. My brother Travis, the other guy on the channel, sent me these. He's like, oh, those are sick, they'd be cool on this. So I rode that to go get those, but then I was going up north, I'm like, it's kind of the same-ish color, whatever. So I put them on here, but Bud's, it was like a porch pickup deal, and I just jammed them in the saddlebag and scooted home. And I get home, and Bud's neglected to tell me that he didn't have any hardware for it. Like, he must have cobbled them on, so then I was in a pinch because I had already planned it. So, like, this is the upper bracket he had, which is like a gear clamp, but then this, I don't know, what, it's a screw with a washer. And then on this side, he's got another gear clamp. I didn't do this, I just used what was on it, and it worked. They didn't move, they're solid, but we're gonna put new hardware on it, so don't worry. But I just had to show you because it was a disaster. Anyways, keep taking this apart, I suppose. Oh. Oh, I thought those were going to be just completely terrible to take off. Usually when you get heated grips, you got to pound them on for everything they're worth, but the boys up at Trailside Sports in Espanola did a minty job. See, the Moose ones are nice because they got the set screw. The other ones you just got to shove until you can't anymore. So it's nice. We'll tackle that side. Honestly, this isn't bad. I'm like 8 minutes into this and may as well be done already. Kidding. Alright folks, we're back at night number 2 because I ran out of time on night number 1 and my brain shut down and I couldn't figure this out anymore. But it's after work day, so we got a bush light making the brain flow. I made sense of this. So anyways, the console comes off and you have to mount it to this Rox Speed FX mounting plate, and it will bolt up on the top of your steering stem. So really, your quad gets rid of this back plastic piece, however that goes. I think it's like that. Anyways, you get rid of that, you get rid of this console, and then everything kind of back here is exposed afterwards, which honestly I'm not friggin' stoked about. But you can't have one without the other, so handlebars, I'm gonna go ahead and bolt those on, bolt that on, and then this, instead of having clips in here, they give you bolts for that now, which I had to figure out. And then there's one clip, I have to figure this out and drill a hole here, so that's still gonna look the same from the front, but it's like party in the front, sketchy mullet in the back. Then they give you this bracket to bolt on, so that's all tight. These are, I guess I tightened these up last night after my battery died, but I'll go and put that on, sort out all my dash cables, and then I gotta hide some more wiring because I had it hidden in here, which I can't do anymore. And then my biggest dilemma, which kind of already figured out, because I have my light switches for my light bars tucked into here before. Like, I had holes drilled. I was like, shoot, dang, where am I gonna put those? And then I figured, like, come on, they literally fit. Come on, you fit last night beautifully in there, honestly. So I think we'll leave them there. Then my wires still reach, and we'll just Bob's your uncle. Light bar in the front, light bar in the back, still hides that. I don't have to move that around, so let's get to the rest of it. There we go. Nice. Oh, piss. Frick. Okay, I got the light switches run on each side. I already showed you that. I'm gonna go ahead and mount this and drill this top hole. Hopefully, you know, somewhere close. Gonna try pretty hard not to muff it up. There's so much wiring going on around here. It's a little bit crazy, you know. Come on. More zip ties, go figure. Yeet! Okay. Now. Usually from factory these are clipped from the bottom, but they supply me bolts. So let's go ahead and not drop these. Come on. Then we're going to want to go ahead and push this back, and I guess we'll just eyeball a hole, and yeah, I guess we'll just go for it. You know what they say, eyeball it once, drill once, and then probably ream it out a bunch of times. I'm just kidding, guys, relax. Trying to center this groove with that hole. I kind of got to have the bars in here, so this can only come back so far. It's a lot of, you know, I'm going to put you guys down. Oh. We're going back now. We done it. Oh, beautiful. Wow. You know what? That turned out half not so bad. 3/4 decent. Oh yeah. Heck sakes. Alright, next, I'll put the bars on. All right, so I had to put this camera down so I could like hold the bars and hold the blocks and thread the bolts in real freaking tight. But kind of got them set up where I want them. Now you can get the view of like how it's going to be back here with this dash panel. And you see how open this is going to be. I got to tuck the wires and zip time to that. Anyways, I'm going to give these a couple. Well, that one's looser as piss. Yeet! Anyways, I guess I'll... Can I sit? Can I sit on it? Maybe? Maybe we'll see. My camera gonna fall? Stay. Alright. That's terribly comfortable. Riding all day. Am I gonna hit my head here? Whew. Perfect. Being 6'3", before I would be like this, my knees would just buckle. So this is pretty good actually, I like that. Gonna go ahead and crank these bolts down and then sneak in there and crank these down as well. Alright folks, that is a wrap. I forgot to turn the camera back on after, thought I was recording the whole time. But bar risers turned out pretty sweet, I should say. Haven't went for a ride yet. I'm going to pull it out. She's dark at night now, but I'm going to pull it over, and I actually just got done building this extension table. I kind of went over this in my last video also. So built this extension lift for the motorcycle hoist. So hoping it's gonna hold. I might try and whip it around and get it on here tonight, but we'll see. If I don't, that's gonna be a wrap on this video. We'll do a follow-up. Just make sure these, oh buddy. How about this one? Oh yeah. Anyways, like I said, that's gonna be a wrap on this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Follow us on Instagram at 905 Garage. Catch you later.